It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to write a point on a number line as a fraction. Here's our question. We're asked which of the following best represents the location of point K on this number line. Here's your number line and point K. And we're given 4 answer choices, all of which are fractions. So here's where I'd like you to pause the video, determine which answer is the location of point K, and then come back to see my work. Good luck. Welcome back. So we want to understand which of these 4 answer choices best represents the location of K on the number line. So I can see that they're all fractions. Let's understand that a fraction is represented by a numerator divided by a denominator. So a ratio of 2 values. We also understand that our numerator is representing how many parts out of a total number of parts. So when we look at this, I can see that one whole here has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So the total parts is 4. And we want to determine how many parts of those 4 are K. So when we look at this bar right here, this pink, represents 1 part out of 4 parts. So now we want to determine how many parts to make up for K. So I can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. So K is equivalent to 7/4. We can see each section of the number line, each whole, is divided into 4 equal parts. So to get to K, I have to go 7/4. So that is answer choice B. Thanks for joining me today to determine how to represent a location on a number line as a fraction. And that's the magic of math, where we master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day and you come back soon.